The person I'm connected to the most is Aisha. But I need to learn how to be open more, and that's what I'm gonna do today.
Give me a place to stand and I shall drink the whole pond. This golden has the perfect plan to escape, but he's just suddenly out of battery. I'm not stealing food, he is.
For breakfast, I have to wonder where my spatula went.
What? I ain't do nothing. This is what you should do when your favorite bowl of water became a stranger's bathtub. Heard that Goldens are smart, but what I have was... How can you not forgive those sparkling eyes? This hula hoop has got him, like literally.
You are a golden retriever. The husky doesn't even want to go outside. Blue! Blue! Come on, let's go. I can see you. Blue! Lucifer!
Bruh.
Are you okay, human? I didn't mean to swear. Such a good boy, isn't he? Nothing can challenge this golden lad, not even the mysterious light in the fridge. When you have to hang out with your dudes, but your mum wasn't paying attention.
She doesn't want me to see that she has. Is little mister missing a sock? What do you have? You know that's baby Waylon's sock. Quit doing that to your brother. Let go.
What dog owners didn't tell you. Do it in silence and no one would notice. That's an amateur's thought. If you want something, do not hesitate to take it, just like this guy. It's your massage schedule, but the salon was closed, so you have to have a homemade one. When Human finally found his exact spot. Why bother going to the mailbox when you can have a delivery guy already? When you were at the mall, but you lazy mood was on. You're pretending to be disconnected, but your bud doesn't get it at all. An example of teamwork makes the dream work. That's definitely an escort for Mr. Stick.
What are you doing?
Hey, you look at me.
Daddy, I'll help you. Whoop, just a bit more. We can do it. The birth of a pro basketballer.
Hello. Hello. น่ารัก เห็นไหมเนี่ย โอ้ยไอ้เต้าตัวยักษ์
Is this sleep mask not comfortable enough? Let's change it. Let the dude teach you how to save money on a ticket. An extrovert making friends with strangers be like, he's troublesome, but you still love him. She thinks she's still a baby and just wants some cuddles. Have you ever felt hopeless with yourself?
I got you.
Boss is pretending not to care, but deep inside, he seeks for a scratch. Someone's working extra hours for some snacks. What do you think? Let us know in the comments. Smoke is a brilliant prop for a photo shoot.
The bottom line is we need to get a dog for protection. Like if someone tried to break into our house, I'd want to make sure that they were immediately terrified.
3, 2, 1.
Take the same seat if you want a full view of the street. When two bosom friends meet after the summer break. This is an example of defeating the intruder with your own words. when the result is shown in front of your face, but you still failed the test.
ขนาดนี้ไม่รู้ก็เลยจะว่ายังไงล่ะ
น้องไม่รู้น้องไม่รู้ไม่ได้วะเนี่ย
It was indeed a very cumbersome rescue operation. If you're persistent enough, anywhere can become a path for you.
Ủa gì? Chỉ vô mặt mày là mày nhe răng hả? Cái này.
When someone you hate points at your face.
Ủa gì? Mày nhe.
How to face your obstacle. Hey human, it's time to go home. Gosh, this drunkard. The consequence of being a mischievous little boy. When your human needs a table and you want to help. Is this dramatic enough for him to be a Hollywood actor? Bring the bone back before baking any of their rages. The free back scratcher tool is so incredibly convenient. Can you tell which one is the shadow? How come the new seat is so incredibly small? Explain it.
Really, Sasha?
Suddenly, you see your crush under the rain. This chase is even more intense and dramatic than in an action movie. That's it for today. See you in the next video.